Hey, this is Steve, out here on Winnebago today. I'm actually spent a good portion of my day out here. As you can see, it's kind of whiteout conditions. Can't see shore, can't see the tree line, can't see the bridge. So about in 5 minutes I'll probably be searching for the bridge and see if I can find it so I can get back to shore and cross that crack out of Fisherman's. Not a bad day. I had ended up with 4 white bass. Marked some good marks earlier, but I had some guys drive by my shack that kind of screwed that up. I threw pretty much everything at them. I had jigging wraps, shad wraps, slap wraps, I guess any kind of wrap that you could throw at them. I tried some spoons, lighter spoons, and some tungsten spoons. Minnow heads and spikes. I just couldn't get them to commit, man. They'd come up and I'd just look at it and I just didn't have the right cadence today. So better luck next time. As you can see, the conditions are not the greatest, so I'm sure Highway 23 is kind of miserable traveling, so I'm gonna head out now. Probably take a half hour, 40 minutes to get back to the truck. But yeah, it was a good day on the ice, better than working. And so until next time, have a good one.